All right, this is a quick tutorial on how to play on the nose. I'm sure your child knows how to play this, but just in case my directions weren't clear. So first off, your child's going to write the numbers 1 through 10 on a board or a piece of paper. It doesn't matter which, whatever you have available works. Then either a parent or siblings can try to guess the secret number. They wrote the secret number on the back of the board or the paper, and say Dad guessed 6. Then it's up to the student to tell whether or not the secret number is bigger than 6 or smaller than 6. So sometimes, just to help out if they're having trouble, right now I'm going to say the secret number is smaller than 6. That means it can't be any of these numbers that are bigger than 6. Okay, then mom might guess 3. And that student would say, the secret number is larger than 3. So they might even help mom out. Cross off, we know it's not smaller than 3. Cross those off. So now we've got it narrowed down. It's either 4 or 5. And Dad guesses 4. Guess what? He's got the number on the nose. They can circle it. They can make fun marks on it. And you can even check on the back. My secret number was 4. I hope you guys have fun playing this game. In a couple weeks, we'll try it again, but using our numbers 1 through 20. Thanks.